Yeah. Yeah.
When it comes to trading, you do have to be very self-aware and understand really the root cause of why your results focused. But a big thing that does help me is try to be focused on that more larger scope. And so for me, with my trading, what I like to do is I like to think about my trades as an edge. So instead of thinking about, okay, this is the setup I take and if I think it's going to win or not, it's more of my trade setup or entry gives me an edge in the market. And so it's not that it's going to work every time. It's more that I believe that right now, if I, buy a stock or a share and go long, that I think it's favored, and that over the long run, if I did this 100 times, that I would make money. And so I even on my chart, I will write, if my platform has, a way to write on the chart, I'll just write like, I think the edge is neutral or long here. And so I'll only look for a long trade at that point. But then that helps me, remind me constantly that I'm not looking for, this to work right now, but I'm looking for an edge that I think is good to act on and what I want to focus on.